According to a 2024 report by PwC, artificial intelligence is set to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 70% of organizations will have adopted some form of AI in HR processes, from recruitment to employee engagement. AI is not the future anymore. It's the present, redefining how we work, lead, and grow.
Welcome to Brainware University, the largest private university in West Bengal, home to over 19,000 students across diverse disciplines. Today, we are proud to host the HR Conclave on AI and its implications on the corporate world, organized by the Department of Management in collaboration with our Campus to Corporate cell. Brainware University has always been a meeting ground for industry and academia. It is a platform where ideas are exchanged, innovation is inspired, and the future is shaped. And so in this HR Conclave, we invite leaders of the corporate world to come together and mentor our teachers and students alike to help them stay ahead of the curve of this ever-changing corporate landscape. Joining us today are some of the most dynamic HR leaders with their years of experience and insights from top organizations. The topic of our discussion today, AI and its implications on the corporate world, couldn't be more relevant. So let's hear it from the experts on what they have to say on how artificial intelligence is transforming HR strategies, corporate governance, organizational growth, and employee engagement.
Which was happening today because of AI, that entire thing is changing. Therefore, that is also an aspect which is impacting the organization, and as an HR, are you capable in terms of understanding that and influencing in your organization?
So I wanted to ask you, do you think that in this age of AI, has there been any changes lately in the recruitment drives, in the hiring process itself?
Yeah, there has been multiple change in terms of to incorporate AI, because AI brings about operational advantage, how CVs are shortlisted, how the initial screenings are done. Now we don't use human to do such repetitive things, right?
AI is basically also changing the HR operation systems in our company as well. Recently we are experimenting to an international company how the AI can help to navigate the career path of our high potential candidates. So once it is successful, we will again implement it.
We have an AI chatbot working for HR who is answering the queries of the employees. We also have an AI empowered chatbot for our customers.
If you are not able to justify what you have written on your resume, then your position is gone. So always commit what you have already done.
At Brainware University, such interactions inspire the next generation of management professionals. Here, the Department of Management doesn't only offer robust academic foundation, but also ensures to bridge the gap between classroom learning and corporate practice.
All the corporates are now moving on to an AI-driven work environment, application tracking system. So ATS-friendly interview processes. Interviews are done by AI chatbots.
Through our initiative of training our faculty members and students alike in AI tools, Brainware University is essentially shaping future-ready graduates who understand the language of technology and business alike. Every year, hundreds of our management graduates secure placements in top organizations like EY, TCS, Cognizant, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and more. A true testament to our commitment to excellence. The future belongs to those who are able to merge intelligence with innovation. Hence, Brainware University is nurturing the students, not just to adapt, but to lead the transformation. From academia to industry, from learning to leadership, the journey begins here at Brainware University.